Hi, I'm Bob with Wolfe Ridge. Today's the day. We are at Messick's in Mount Joy, Pennsylvania for their open house. We're going to be running some splitters. Let me show you guys what we're doing. I'm going to show you guys the front of the property here. This is Messick's flagship store here in Mount Joy, Pennsylvania. We've got an FC24 conveyor, red 17 VS, this green 35 SHO with the diesel on it. That's actually Jim's machine, and Jim brought us all of the oak rounds that you see back there that we're going to be splitting. This diesel Box Wedge machine is going home with Matt today, and over here there's a 28 Pro, and I think we got one more machine coming out here. We're going to try some of these new Box Wedges here. We've already got the machines warming up, getting ready for the day. Nick, say hi. Hi. All right, we're about an hour into the show here. Got a pretty good crowd, making a bunch of firewood. Give you guys a rundown, show you the machines that we're using and how we're splitting wood with them today. Guys, here we got an FC24, 24-foot firewood conveyor. Grizzly bars, standard equipment. Got a 17 VS over here. Just made a little bit of wood with this. This machine is available, at least at the time of this video, from Messick's. 35 SHO diesel, traditional machine. This is Jim Tippett's machine. Over here we've got 35 SHO Box Wedge machine. Been running that thing quite a bit. Not enough to get the oil cooler going though yet. We've got a standard 28 Pro. So we just ran this, just a few pieces through here. All right, as you can see behind me, there's quite the crowd. There's a lot of stuff going on. So I'm gonna get back in there. We're gonna split some more wood. Will from WD-30 Adventures running the diesel traditional SHO. And over here, Jack from Log Cabin is running the 17 VS. Guys, we've been splitting a ton of wood here. We're almost out of rounds. There's a little bit left behind me. You can see we were getting some nice ones over here for this box wedge again. We're gonna run this in a few minutes here. We really could use a conveyor at the end of this box wedge, but look at this, look at the quality of this wood we're making out of this thing. A box wedge always does have a little bit of chaff and debris. I would say almost 10% waste, but look at all of the good size splits we've got also. This is perfect for bundles. All right, guys, we got a lull kind of in the event right now, so I'm going to talk to Matt from Lily's Farm and Firewood. I don't know if you've ever seen this guy before. He does a little bit of content, you know. Just a little. But he came down here. He is actually going to be trading in your 35 SHO for this 35 SHO with the box wedge. But we're going to send this back to him and let him do some comparison videos and have some fun. I think you're going to
different wedges. And
yeah, and you already got 2 splitters filling the conveyor. Do you think you can do 3?
I'm gonna try.
Yeah, that's gonna be cool to see.
I'm gonna try.
Yeah.
I'm gonna run definitely this, 2 SHOs into the conveyor.
Yeah.
And I don't know, we'll see.
And he got the whole laundry list of wedges for this thing. So we got 3x3, 3.5 by 3.5, 4x4, 2-way traditional, 4-way traditional, 6-way traditional, and the 12-way wicked wedge. Yeah. So that's exciting. Good. Yeah. But I want to say thank you for coming. Thank you for all the videos and stuff like that you make. It's awesome. If you guys haven't checked out his channel, I'm sure you have, but if you haven't, check out Lily's Farm and Firewood on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok. He's got all kinds of good stuff on there. Thank you. That's all I got. Hey, thank you. Hey, oh, and now we're gonna put him to work. He is going to look at. Let's get a close up of these logs. 16, 17 inches maybe, but this is some kind of nasty oak, so we'll put that through. We've got the 3.5 by 3.5, the standard box wedge on this machine right now. So we're gonna put Matt to work, and we'll get some video from the other end here. It got pretty hectic around here, so we kind of had a gap in the video. Everything's getting packed up now. We're heading home. Matt's heading home with his new 35 SHO diesel box wedge machine. You'll see some comparison videos with his current SHO that has the gas V-twin on it. It was a great day here today. A lot of people showed up. I want to thank everybody that had a hand in making this event possible. I want to thank our dealer network. I want to thank our customers. I want to thank the guys at the factory building all this stuff, getting the load down here. Guys, Messick still has a few units in stock from this last shipment, but a lot left here today. So I'll leave their information in the description of this video, and I'll leave a link to our dealer network on the website. We've got dealers all across the country now, and they're all great people to do business with. If you'd like more information on any of the Wolfe Ridge products, including all pricing, configuration options, tech specs, dealer locator, we've got our event schedule there. We got so much on that website. Check it out, www.wolferidgemfg.com. You can always give us a call or send us an email. I'll make sure I'll leave all those links in the description for you. I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, thank you for the support. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next at Wolfe Ridge.